Hello, Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in on you. I can't tell you how excited I am about our new consulting and coaching subscription program. There have been a lot of people who have contacted me and wanted to work with me and told me as soon as I get to a position where I can afford your bronze or your silver package, some of them even want the gold and platinum package, that they were going to sign up. And I've been looking for over a year for the right way to honor my time, which is extremely important with everything that I have going on, while still extending my expertise and my services to those who are not in a position to get the larger packages. Well, this new consulting and coaching subscription service is going to allow you, for the price of $100 per month, to have access to me one session a month, which is a value of $350 as a single session, one session a month. And you're going to get access to me for a session. You're going to get a free crisis session. That's a session that says, even though it's not scheduled, if something happens, you reach out to me and I get back to you and we go through and go over whatever. You're going to be able to set up a plan of understanding what it is you want and how you're going to go about to get it. You're going to have access to tons of written and recorded material. You're going to have access to the special group support program that I'm putting together on Facebook. So you'll have access to a private group where you're going to come together and you're going to discuss and share, support one another. You'll also get posts that will only come to that particular page, that will be conducive to your growth, conducive to your situation. But just the access once a month to someone who's going to deal with your issues on a personalized level. You've probably seen my videos. You probably read my articles. You may have even read my book. But those are generalized expressions meant to be able to reach everybody and give them something they can work with. These encounters are going to be highly specific because it's going to be specifically focused on what you want, where you're at, what you're going through. I'm excited about it. I'm making it easy to do. You sign up for the first month. At any time you do not wish to continue, simply decease. You receive an invoice after the first month. You sign up on the page. After the first month, you receive a monthly invoice, and you can pay the invoice and continue doing what you're doing. You're going to also get a free copy of my 20th book, which is Critical Mass, the Phenomenon of Next Level Living, again, as an incentive. That book in and of itself is a $30 book. So I think 34 or whatever. But you're going to get that for free, just for subscribing. And so you definitely going to get plenty of value out of the program. You're going to get access to yours truly in a way that the general public doesn't. No, it's not the same type of access as those who own packages like the bronze through the platinum package. The platinum package is $10,500, but that's 52 weeks of direct engagement every week. And the bronze is the least expensive at $25.40, and that's 12 weeks of direct engagement and multiple crisis sessions. In other words, sessions that aren't planned and a part of it, but something comes up and you need to talk to me. They get that, but you are going to get a session a month, which is by itself pays for the subscription 3 times over. You're going to get the free book. You're going to get access to tons of content that I create on a regular and daily basis. You're going to also have access to this private group where people who sign up will be able to come and meet others and talk about their aspirations, talk about their goals, share ideas, support one another. I encourage you to be a part of this. I just want to take time to thank you. You may be watching this on Facebook, you may be watching this on YouTube, or you may already be on the subscription page. But wherever you are, this is an opportunity to take your life to the next level. I look forward to having the opportunity to sit down and work with you. On that note, I've got to get out of here because I have some other things I need to do. Welcome.